Okay, last video to film of the day. How are you guys doing? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday, and I've got a quick tip for you. So, for those of you who put mascara on your eyelashes and it accidentally gets on your skin, like your nose or on your eyelid, and it looks ridiculous that you can't leave it, my quick tip is this. Let the mascara dry, so continue to do your makeup. Let it dry, and then when it dries, take a Q-tip and you can scrape it right off ever so gently, and it doesn't ruin the rest of your makeup. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!